I have taken decision to formally withdraw from the race in the best interest of our great party, the Southern Borno and Borno State at large. In that spirit, I wholeheartedly endorse and pledge my total support for my brother, Senator Mohammed Ali Ndume, to continue representing Southern Borno in the Senate. Accordingly, I urge all my supporters across the 9 local government areas of the zone to accept this decision in good faith, close ranks, and extend their unflinching support to Senator Ndume. I wish to appeal to my supporters to work together to ensure victory for the APC in all elections in 2027 general election. I firmly believe that power belongs to Almighty Allah alone. He bestows it on whom He wills, at the time He wills. To my loyal supporters, campaign council, and media team, I am deeply grateful for your sacrifice, commitment, and belief in our cause. Your efforts are not in vain, and I remain eternally indebted to you all.